Mass Products Proprietary Limited is proud to introduce the Safe Maintenance Industrial Cover. This ingenious, patented and trademarked Australian invention is simple in design, yet offers a host of benefits to the user, in particular eliminating the risk of falls from heights, allowing personnel and pedestrians on the ground to move safely around access openings and making the process of working underground less complicated. There is no other device on the market like it. The lives and welfare of council workers and contractors are at risk every time they work below ground or in the vicinity of an open manhole. One slip can prove fatal. Employers must take this seriously or risk expensive public liability and workers' compensation claims. It's why workplace health and safety protocols are extensive and involved. The current procedure not only takes time if followed correctly, it requires at least 3 workers to be harnessed and anchored, and the setup of large quantities of safety equipment and signage for the protection of both workers and pedestrians. All this takes time, and time is money. The Safe Maintenance Industrial Cover makes life simpler, safer, and can save your business money. After gas testing is complete, this lightweight device is easily manoeuvred by 1 or 2 people using lid lifters to replace the manhole cover. Once in place, fewer signs and barriers are needed because the area is rendered safe. Half the lid is lifted to do a second gas reading. The confined space worker is the only team member who needs to be harnessed and anchored, saving on setup and pack-up time and the number of personnel and amount of equipment needed to do the job, leaving the other staff to move freely around the manhole. It also eliminates the possibility of fall arrest cables or lifelines becoming tangled. The design allows for tools to be easily and safely passed to the maintenance worker. Waste transport companies can also reap the benefits of the Smic while working around or near water, sewerage and stormwater openings. The traditional method involves manoeuvring the manhole lid to leave a partial opening for a hose, creating the potential for trips and falls. The Smic allows any size hose to be dropped through the lid, leaving the access opening completely covered. And once in place, anyone can safely enter the barricaded area without having to undergo safety training and certification. The Safe Maintenance Industrial Cover prevents workers and pedestrians from falling into open manholes. Smic allows people to walk freely and safely around access openings, eliminating the need for other fall from heights arrest equipment and reducing maintenance and certification costs. Smic reduces the number of barriers needed for confined space entry, and Smic creates a safety barrier to stop large objects falling into confined spaces. The Safe Maintenance Industrial Cover is self-ventilating, easy to install, lightweight, has a safe working load of 150 kilos, and is engineered and manufactured to Australian standards.